and let's go to the road to 2000 Elo Series. It's from, oh, now I got another Austrian player. I think as I got a black piece. Let's see, play French defense star aspiration. Should I play knight f6 here? If he advances, then I will go knight to d7, knight f d7. Bishop d3 played. Yeah, this pawn should be protected. Then knight f3. Oh, he played knight bd. So I'm still trying to win the pawn. And recently I finished a tournament, oh, he saved that. So yeah, when you finished one OTB game, then you are really getting energy. So I'm enjoying my games. In the starting of the day, my rating was 1900 something too, but now it is so good. Huge boost happened, so I'm playing a6 here, bishop e7, because now I can prevent. Okay, maybe he captures, then my bishop can move again, or my knight can go to c5. So my opponent name is GRLi or GRLi 96. So the opening is French defense stars, but I don't know better opening, but I should actually. But now he is planning. But anyway, he cannot capture. He can capture, but I will capture with the bishop will backchange them. And he offers me a pawn, but it can be really bad. It's a poisonous pawn, so most times. So I am not going to capture. Oh my! What happened? I don't know why. Muffin resigned. I just afraid, but he just lost that pawn. For that pawn, he resigned the game. Just for one pawn, people can resign. Because I think he can. If I, okay, let's review that. That means if I capture here, he cannot actually trap my queen. I can capture more pawns, and this bishop b7 pawn is also protected. So that's the reason. But it's a great loss for my opponent. Almost 9 rating, I thought. So most times it is a trap, because if the queen is still here, oh, then I cannot take the pawn. But this pawn is protected, but only one pawn I get. But he cannot play rook to b8, because this pawn hanging and he not eating anything. That's the reason. That means the pawn was not poisonous actually. Let's try to. I tried to play full game, but only after you see. So if I play like this, my video cannot be perform well. That means people cannot watch the full video, because my opponent just resigning the game, but there is no fight going on. Only, but it can be nice trap. He want to set a trap, but it's not working, so that's why he resigned. Should I make this video? I don't know. It's just 10 moves in a game, 10th moves, and my opponent resigned. Excellent move. I don't know what is excellent move. I did not capture it even. Oh my god, I didn't capture the pawn. Just he understand that it should resign. I captured it or not? Bishop e3, and I think after that, after bishop e3, he resigned. I'm trying to take it, just thinking how to should I take it? Is it poisonous? My queen is trapped or not? But he resigned because he saw that just unnecessary one pawn loss. So you see, in a fighting game. Okay, let's play one more game. Let's try. So I got a low rated 1975, but now I am just 2 rating up. So it's a white game. My opponent name is Ranjan Rohit. So it's just like going Sicilian. Okay, c3. to defend, but he start attacking me on center immediately. D5, queen d5, maybe. Okay, maybe I can pin the knight. I can pin the knight. Oh, he pinned me back. Okay. Okay. Yeah, now he is going to take something. He almost take it. His bishop is, but I am relieved that there is no queen in the board. It's better. It's better. I can. Problem is coming here also because the pawn is coming. Okay, let's try. Play bishop. Okay, he protect everything and okay, let's try this. He forcing me now. The knight will be impressive. That means knight will be unpinned. But my bishop is stronger, I think. But where can he knight? Yeah, but his knight can go active actually on e5, and he can capture my f3 pawn. So I am trying. I'm not giving him the chance, just eliminating the knight. Definitely going to capture it rook capturing. Then I can castle or not. Oh, but if I start castle, he can push pawn. So it's my good luck that I got early win, and this opponent is going to disconnected already. Hope he joined back. But I'm feeling I'm filled with confidence because after I have finished a theater tournament, board tournament. So always you play in a board game, then it always reflects on your chessboard, on your online board. So I got another. So it's bad luck for my viewers that they cannot see the full game every time. I'm getting ratings. Actually it is my yellow session. That means I need to reach yellow faster. So it is my day 4, and I reached many yellows also. And 1985 just. So I think I'm not going to play more. So that's the end of the video. So hope you all enjoy. Okay, anyway, the board is visible. Otherwise, I should record. Why it is changed? Okay, I'm just stopping for today. So hope you like, comment, share Shadhok Moves channel and support my channel.